For your assignment about the Salem witch trials, you get to create an iMovie trailer. iMovie trailers, if you haven't done them before, are pretty fun to work with. They're easy to do. So I'm going to show you a sort of model for you how to set one up. So I've got my iPad here. I've just opened iMovies, the iMovie app, and I'm going to hit this plus sign, which means I want to add a new project. So I press that and I see I have two options. I have the movie, which is for a full movie that you can make as long as you want, or a trailer, which uses templates that are set time. For this project, need a trailer. I want it to be a short set amount of time that I'm working with. So I press trailer and I come up here to this screen, which gives me all kinds of different templates. And I can play around with these and see what they look like. Let me turn the volume up here for you. This one's called Indie. There's one called Bollywood. There's one called Adrenaline. So as you can see, these templates allow you to make it look and sound the way you want it to match the theme of whatever you're making the video trailer about. So in my case, I'm just going to select one to show you here. I'm going to pick Expedition. Okay, so that's the one I'm going to use. I'm going to hit create right up here. Now, it gives me all this text over here. And part of how your iMovie trailer is going to be judged is the fact that you change all of the text to tell the story you're trying to tell. In your case, this will be about the Salem witch trials. So you want to show what you've learned about the Salem witch trials in little, small text chunks. So you can change the title here. This is the outline of what your video is about and who created it. So I'm going to change mine to Vacation 2020. And then you can put cast members in there if you want. You can write the credits in there if you want, but that's not important. But I really just need the title there. Now the storyboard is where I really start to build my video trailer. I want to change all these. I'll change this high def films to my name somehow. I'll call it Phipps Studios. And then I need to change the story. I said 3 students. I don't want that. This is a template. I want my wife and I, and then I'll select pictures. I need to change all of these pictures. So I click on that picture. I go to my library here and I'll pick a picture of my wife and I. And I'll put it there. And I'll go back to this picture, I'll pick another picture of my wife and I, and I'll click on this one, and I'll pick another picture. And then I can change the next set of text. My wife and I went to, and then I'll change this one over here to Montana. And then I'll pick some pictures of our vacation. Actually, I'll put Montana and Wyoming. I'll pick pictures. There's a cool picture of the Grand Tetons. I'll put that in here. I'll select the next one here. There's some buffalo. I'll put that in there. And one more. I like this one. I'll put that in there. And then you just keep going down through here, telling your story, changing the text, and adding your own pictures. So I've just done a little bit of that, but that's how you do it. And then when you get down to the bottom and you're done, you've changed all the text and all the pictures. You can watch it. You see how I've changed the text now? It's what I've put in there, my wife and I went to Montana and Wyoming. On a journey. So I didn't complete this, but you do not want any of that showing up in your presentation. So you're gonna have to go out first thing and collect all the images that you want to use to tell your story about the Salem witch trials. You'll need a bunch of them. Matter of fact, when you open up the templates you're going to use, you should probably count the amount of pictures that there are on your storyboard. See, I have, in this one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. That means I need to go out and find 27 pictures. If I'm doing this about the Salem witch trials, I need 27 pictures to go with my, to fill out all my pictures for this particular template. Now, you can also record your own video and add those in here, as you saw in some of the examples I showed you earlier with the templates. You don't have to. You can stick to all pictures, but you can also insert video in here if you want to be that creative and go that far. Knock yourself out. But you don't have to. You can just stick to changing all the pictures, but make sure you change all the pictures and all the text to tell the story you need to tell. If you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to contact your teacher for more help. Have fun on this and be creative. Can't wait to grade them.